Ancient writing from the Old Kingdom. Someone has been here recently. It's blocked. There must be some way through. The tracks here are fresh. There must be another way inside the tomb. Something must be behind here. Clear now. This is where my quest began. My life was undone here. Yet now there's a shrine, a memorial where none should be. Could this be for Rudjek? None could care for that snake that began this twisted quest, could they? Rudjek's arrow. I marked his name off my list with this. Now it sits on the ground, forgotten. Someone has sealed this room. The smell of the blood I spilled still lingers here. A mummified heron. For resurrection? No. Whoever did this must have known of Rudjek's place in the Order. Rudjek does not deserve a tomb. But this is an insult. This tomb was made for a pharaoh. Whoever did this has defiled this place. Rudjek does not deserve a tomb, but this is an insult. This tomb was made for a pharaoh. Whoever did this has defiled this place. Rudjek's mask. I barely remember what happened after I stabbed him. This room has told me all I need to know. This place was a beginning for me, and an end for Rudjek. The arrow marked both of those things. After I stabbed that bastard, things went dark. When I came back to myself, Rudjek was dead. Rudjek's body should have been left to rot. He has been laid to rest with respect by someone who wanted him to enter the Duat prepared. Whoever buried him also left this heron mummy to honor Rudjek with his god's damned namesake in the afterlife. They then returned here to pay respect to Rudjek, if these candles are any indication. No matter what, I know Rudjek's heart was found lacking. That bastard suffers in the afterlife, no matter what was done here. I will be judged one day, but I do not regret my actions. The feather will always be lighter than my heart. Are they screaming for our blood or for theirs?
Any blood will do. No such thing as innocent here. Do not stay your blade, brother. They certainly will. Every man here knows the risks.
You have taken to this new life easily.
Can you see the look on their faces? They adore me, Bayek. The men, the women. I have everything I
They are
could
offering
want.
good stuff. These two sand bandits are tougher than they look.
Keep fighting like this, old friend, and we'll catch the eye of a wealthy patron.
And what then?
Then a whole new world of opportunity, my friend. The best gladiators are sent on special missions and earn more coin than you can imagine.
And let us make sure they notice us.
Victory for the Guardians of Siwa! The new darlings of the arena! Who knows how far they can go?
Pairing you two toe-stubbers was one of my best ideas.
If what Kensa says is true, any of the gladiators could be working for the crocodile. There might be evidence here of the jobs the Gallic brothers did.
We are on our way, old.
The best way to reach the crocodile is to beat the Gallic brothers. As if I needed more reason to slit the throats of Shadia's killers. Felix. How often do you fight lions?
Only when Felix can get them. They are much more expensive than men volunteering for a beating.
There seems little honor in killing animals.
Kill or be eaten by it. Besides, it's caged. We will be fine. As long as we don't freeze.
The Magi and the slave girl are unstoppable! More ferocious than wild beasts!
I thought the lions were caged.
There are no rules in the arena, Seni.
The Guardians of Siwa are victorious once again! Could the Gallic brothers be next?
Where's Kensa? Is Kensa okay? Holy Anubis. I have to win this.
None dare stand against too devastating finish. I'll have your...
The Magi is not missing his partner! What a warrior! Are you watching, Crocodilopolis? Is this the rise of a new challenger? Will the Gallic brothers keep their crown?
Get your guts out!
I am sorry I left you to fight alone, but I hear you did me proud.
Felix sent you out on a job. Who was it for?
I'll tell you everything in good time, brother.
You have done well.
This is it, Bayek. Our big moment. They will build monuments and scroll our names.
Here are the contenders to the crown. The Guardians of Siwa. Undefeated. Unmatched. It's the Gallic Brothers!
I love it when blood spurts! I will tear you to pieces for this!
Crocodile!
The Gallic Brothers are defeated!
You killed the child called Shadia! That is the least you deserve!
The lighthouse! We didn't kill her, I swear!
We have done many terrible things, Sewan, but the murder of the child is not one of them!
All hail the new champions!
We were
The
there!
Guardians of
Soldiers
Siwa!
captured the girl and take her to Berenike, to the crocodile!
It was she who drowned the child, took a book from her, ordered a stone tied to her ankles, and pushed her in the water. There was nothing we could do.
This is the real reason you came to me, isn't it? To uncover this patron, this crocodile. Bayek, why didn't you confide in me? Huh? I would have helped you.
You're a mercenary, just
No.
like them. I couldn't take the chance.
What fate awaits the fallen?
No,
Will it be life
Bayek,
or death?
you know me better than...
Death!
Bayek, you have to know!
So it was Berenike. She's the crocodile.
Αυτή είναι η μόνη τέκνο. Ο οικαστές του γειτονίου ημών συμφορέ. Τα άλλα καλώς έχω. Όχι. Αυτό ιδιώς. Ωραν βούλημη τη μηχανάστε ή να εξέλθει.
Whoa. Ha! Yeah. There's the granary Hotefre spoke of. The crocodile must be inside.
We cannot even trust the Phylaki Tai to help us. They eat from the corrupt Nomarch's hands. Food that belongs... That's it, die!
Adelphi! Trouble him! Distract the enemy! I will push on! I have the range! Got a clean target! I will nail him!
Hey, what?
Cut him off!
It stains my honor killing prey this easily.
How many weeks have they been shouting at the gates? Still nothing changes.
Most of my
nothing
grain is taken
done.
by taxes
Greeks
and
just
soldiers.
take and
I
take.
barely have enough left to eat. Is this shit what
Best
they...
not to draw attention here.
Did you hear about Aset? Her daughter was promised in marriage, but she could not afford the wedding. Now they are both begging for food in the slums. The damn slums! And what about Raho? His family lost their farm to wheat.
Nothing. Let's stay sharp.
Hey!
Who shot that? What? Stop him! Going to kill you! You cannot get away! There you are!
My champion.
Yes, my lady. It is everything I hoped it would be.
You will want for nothing as long as you are loyal. As long as you never
Kensa, is this the luxury you sought? To be a slave to an enemy of Egypt?
murdered by one of you.
Shadia.
Who?
Shadia! She was the child you drowned!
Like all of your kind, you fail to see what greatness lies in store for Egypt.
Is that what you tell yourself? You do not remember those you killed? She was the child of Henut and Hotefres.
Henot was a stubborn rock. That ledger would have meant the end to all our hopes.
You destroyed families.
I did what had to be done.
I will destroy everything you stand for, Berenike! And I will destroy all others like you! But for now, all that matters is that you killed Shadia! And the last word you will remember is her name! Shadia!
This will hurt, I promise. I knew you'd come, old friend. Perhaps I was always meant to die.
Wake up! Layla, now! I need you! There's a van in the alleyway! Oh, God!
A van? Aya, what are you trying?
Forget about Aya! Abstergo's here! They must have found out about... Oh, shit! Fuck!
Dee? Oh. Shit! They're here too!
Okay, Layla, listen. I know you. And I know you'll find a way out of this.
Picked up that blade I found.
Good.
تذكر عليك أن تخلص من الهدف ثم استعدت
How's it going?
Bad. I have to do this. It's them or me.
جاري يخرجها من مقبالها علي.
No, don't! Please! No!
ما القضاء على.
Dee? Oh, Dee. No.
Fuck you, Abstergo! I'm seeing this through!
If you're listening to this, you work for Abstergo, and I'm dead. Do me a favor, and make sure Sophia Ricken hears it. My dream was to work on the Animus Project. I waited 12 years. Waiting got me nowhere. So I built an Animus that lets me access anyone's memories, even ancestors not my own. I even witnessed the origins of the Assassins. Artifacts, tombs that were supposed to be stuff of legends, I found them. By killing me, you've lost all this knowledge.
I understand why you thought I had to die. But did you have to kill my best friend? Why did she?
Habibti, I should have listened to you.
I've killed all these naked Diadet. Apollodorus must be told. To Heraklion.
Move, now!
Whoa.
Right position, get it. Out of the way! Clear the way! Dying worm. Distract the enemy. I will push on.
Otifres, what is going on? Otifres, what is this? What are you doing? You will lose everything.
I know. I am useless to anyone right now.
Then stop being useless. Be angry. Pick up your sword and start fighting.
I hung up my sword years ago. I only got involved because Apollodorus practically demanded it. He thought us all driven by some grave conspiracy. Now Shadia's dead.
Something big is happening. You are right to try to help.
I was stupid. I did not want to do it. Henut insisted, said it was our duty. If I had not listened to her, Shadia would still live. She will be up ahead. We built a shrine by the water. Shadia loves the water. We feed the fish before supper. I mean, she did. We used to.
Henut, it is good to see you. Henut?
This is how she is now.
I should leave them to grieve. I need a feather for the ritual. There are marshlands nearby. I will find birds there. Whoa.
You'll do what you're told, you lazy shit. If you need more grain, grow more. It's not my problem.
Captain!
Henut, no! We can't.
My husband. We must shake off our grief. We cannot let others suffer too. Not when we...
Why did we not just kill that Egyptian cow?
Oh, don't worry. The commander has got something special planned for her. I know her type. Proud and defiant. Thinks she's untouchable. See how proud she is when we remove her tongue. We'll come back tonight and gut her quietly. What do you think, huh?
Work together!
Come over here! Give me a hand over here! That's it! Die!
An insignia. I do not recognize this. Maybe Hotefres knows more. He will not be missed. But he spoke of a commander. Someone else is giving the orders.
You live!
They'd marked Henut for death. He will not be missed. But he spoke of a commander.
Cursed!
That's a bad omen for certain.
I thought the sacred crocodiles of Crocodilopolis. Something about this is not right. I should take a look at the crocodile's enclosure.
Kemer wen nesu. again?
No sign of the priest. But Sutros looks agitated. I should try to stay unnoticed. A carcass. It has been chewed, but not eaten. Someone was injured in the enclosure. They went up the staircase. A foul-smelling liquid. The stench burns my eyes. Neck. Discarded priest robe, and it is covered in blood. Whoever was wearing this was badly injured. The blood trail leads outside. Mauled by crocodiles. This was the man who poisoned the crocodiles. He was taking orders from Melina the Hibiscus. A pretty name for a killer. She's at the Neorian Naval Arsenal, to the south. Who dares touch a god of Egypt? I will hunt down this blasphemer. Whoa.
Μαλαχέρε. Τι πω, παιδες, τι ογέγονε.
The safety of all in Crocodilopolis, segregation.
Die, worm. There you are. I have the range. That's help.
This is the place. The Hibiscus should be somewhere nearby. A woman amongst Ptolemy's soldiers should not be hard to find.
going to gut you.
That has got to be her. A purple dress. Huh. Poisonous little woman. Talented, but twisted. Sehetep. He was the priest at the temple. Gods. What is it with priests and money? The poison was just for show. At least the temple crocodiles are not going to die. I should tell the Guardian.
Die, worm.
Getting tired?
Hey, keep your weapon close to hand.
Oi, τις μέιζονος αυτοσύνης. Μάλακες. Right position, good.
Guardian of Sobek.